is both the transfigured Jesus as well as the resurrected Jesus, two in one stage. And the mountain also reminds us about Mount of Calvary and Mount of Tabor, where Jesus was transfigured. So from this mountain, from the feet of Jesus, water flows. Jesus is the living water. So the living water flows and nourishes us through the Eucharist. So Eucharist nourishes us, and so the water will stay there. Water will stay there, and then it will overflow to show that the importance of Eucharist. And if you come close and see, and even from there you can see that Greek symbol for Eucharist is put there. Then we have put the 7 sacraments here. The 7 sacraments, what they give is written in Marathi. You all know Marathi, so not difficult, you can afterwards read there. For example, baptism gives us Navajivan, new life. Then all the sacraments are given. So we are further nourished by the sacraments. The water will be flowing this way. And then it further nourishes us through, all the sacraments. And in that way we get fullness of life in Jesus. That we see the pot which is kept on top, it has written there goodness, Changalpana. So we are filled with goodness because we are filled with the grace of God. Once goodness, we are filled with goodness, goodness overflows. No? Goodness can hold it back? No. It has to overflow. So it overflows and fills us with the other qualities like Namrata, Ekta, other qualities. Humility, unity, joy, etc. So when we are filled with this, we get where the lady is standing there, just there, it is written there, afterwards you can see, Yeshu Made Vipul Jivan. We get fullness of life in Jesus. When we get fullness of life in Jesus, we cannot keep Jesus to ourselves. We have to take Jesus to others. So there is a big foot there, and in that there are small fields up there. So we put our foot into the foot of Jesus, and we take Jesus to others. That is the meaning of this. This whole concept was designed by the present Bishop of Baroda, Bishop Sevi Maskapis. Okay. Now, this place is not famous so much for this. Okay. This place is famous for Dongar Mauli. There are a lot of miracles taking place because of Dongar Mauli. There is a lady from Uttang who got her child after 22 years. So, there are many people getting gifts of child. I also have with me another person who got a child after praying from Vasai. That person came to conduct a prayer service at Talaseri. And then they heard about this Dongar Mauli and they came here to pray. It was rainy season and it was late night. They came, they prayed and went. And this year they came to thank for the child. And he gives a witness saying that 6-7 years they underwent treatment. And finally he gave up. Now nothing will happen. With that he had given up. And he came here, he prayed to Dongar Mauli and went, and he got a child. So like that, many miracles, especially the barren woman bear child. That is the biggest miracle that is happening. There are also other miracles taking place. The first year itself, when I came here, the lockdown was there. And after the lockdown, when it opened up slightly, some people came from Uttar. And that lady, one particular lady by name Suvarna, she told me that she is going for operation of the backbone. And doctor has given the operation the next week. And so, to pray for her. We also prayed and we told her to pray to Dongar Mauli. She could not climb up to the Dongar. Others went to the Dongar, but she could not. But after a few days, she calls up from there and says, Father, and she started speaking. I couldn't understand proper that Uttan Marathi. Then I asked her to speak to sister, and sister tells me that doctor says everything is clear, no need of operation, and she is completely all right. She is still in touch with me. Another lady came from Amarnath. They prayed. They said she is suspected of cancer, and Father, please pray. And then she goes, and the report comes that everything is clear, no cancer. So like that, there are many miracles taking place. Many people come and go here, and experience the powerful intercession of Dongar Mauli. And that's the reason many people want to come here. Here if you see, the the statue of Dongarmauli and his Francis Xavier is kept at the side. Only when we have Navina we will get in front. Otherwise it is at the sides. That is true. And if you see the halo also is purposely removed. Normally for the saints we have the halo, right? There you can see our Blessed Mother is not having a halo, just symbol. Just to remind the people that they were just ordinary people like us. That's why they are kept in between the people and they became saints. So also we can be saints. That is what is the another purpose. Okay? The Dongarmauli shrine is on top. There is a mountain on top which will take at least 45 minutes, 1 hour, almost 1 hour to climb up and 45 minutes to come down. Okay? But you feel nice after climbing up. Okay? So wish you all the very best. Presently there is no current, so we cannot put on the water. When current comes,